things are happening in your minds. Hey, you're on the night. What's happening?
Yo, I just want to ask what happened to thrash metal. It used to be everywhere, and then losers and dorks made sure it disappeared.
That's one viewpoint, but I think it's more complicated than that. I guess at its core, it's all about trends. Thrash metal used to be a force to be reckoned with on the airwaves until a combination of oversaturation and the hunger for the next big thing forced new artists to expand their horizons. You could say that it all went the way of folk or prog rock. It's all about the free market, right?
Yeah. Hey, you don't want to punish me for not understanding the free market, do you?
God damn it! I'm a DJ now, do you hear me, worm? Now say you're sorry, or I'll beat you until you're seeing double.
Oh, yes, mistress. Sorry, mistress.
If you want to call me and talk about rock music, then do it. But if not, stay off my phone.
You've seen them tame tigers. You've seen them dance with bears. But you've never seen anything like this. It's Schneider and Krause's biggest show yet.
Ich bin Schneider.
And I am Klaus.
Join us as we make big dazzle with our newest animal companion, the Shark-Brain!
Created in the finest labs of Deutschland, the Shark-Brain is half shark, half cobra, half Wolverine.
Und no danger! The thrills will be palpable!
The magic will be magical.
It will change your life forever!
Don't miss the spectacle. Don't miss the danger. Don't miss Shark-Brain. Tickets on sale now.
The Knife. 87.8.